auger making in India. We produce auger as per your requirement and sizes. You tell us the width and the height. We can make the drawing and we can send you. And then we can send you the code. We can get the auger produced as per your requirements. We right now do auger only in MS. It is called as conveyor, screw conveyors. Sometimes we call auger, sometimes we call screw conveyor, whatever. And we can produce any size, any pipe size and auger size. Please do contact us, and we are very prompt on our delivery and very quality. If you don't have the drawings, just tell us the dia. We can make the drawing for you. We can send it to you. Once you approve it, and then we will get it manufactured at our own factory. We have laser cutting. We do the laser cutting at our own factory, and then we bend them and we produce them. Everything is produced in our own factory in India. We can send it to any part of India by VRL and transports. The price is very reasonable. Our manufacturing cost is also very reasonable because we are not located in a metro or cosmopolitan city. We are located little away from Chennai. That is 200 kilometers away from Chennai, a place called Chidambaram. So we are able to produce at a very reasonable price because we don't pay a lot of rent, and labor is reasonably not expensive, and maintenance, and we have over 1 acre of land. Our factory is located, so very easy to move and produce them and get them manufactured. Our facility is world class. We have everything that needs to be produced into auger. Please contact us, and very difficult to find any other manufacturer who are prompt enough like us, who are responsive enough like us to deliver your auger. And we do all full welding, and we guarantee that auger works for a long time. We can even make up to 10 mm auger size, plate size. Now what you see is only 4 mm. So the 4 mm is more than enough for drilling. If you need for big drills, big for Lehman's and big 100 meter, 200 meter drills also, we can get them designed and produced as per your requirements. Call the number on the screen if you need any assistance anytime. We will respond by WhatsApp or by call. You can do both on the same number, or visit us on the website, send us an email, and you will sure that you will find the reply within 24 hours to your emails. Most of the time, the auger manufacturers in Chennai or wherever it is very delayed, very non-responsive. We can design your auger in 1 day, we can produce them in 5 days. Maximum in 6 days, you can have your auger in your hand. Please give us a chance, and I'm sure that you will like it. And we can even make auger for earth drilling, deep earth drillings also, for bridges, construction companies, and farming companies, mining companies. Any company that needs auger service, we can make them. But we are not a renting company. We are manufacturing auger as per customer requirements. If you have a tractor, if you want to have a pole erection, we can still do it. Contact us anytime. And then we are located in our head office is in Mylapore, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And our factory is located in Chidambaram. That is 200 kilometers away from Chennai. The reason we keep the factory there is MSME scheme, local empowerment. A lot of people who are unemployed over there get job. It's not like very crowded and sort of a place, very relaxed environment. Thank you.